My name is Kalpesh Manseta. I am the founder of FlushX. FlushX builds smart self-cleaning public toilet systems for cleaner and healthier cities. The problem we are solving is the public toilets are normally not clean. We are solving the hygiene and maintenance crisis in public sanitation infrastructure. What makes our approach different is that our system is automated, self-cleaning, controlled by the mobile device, and it also recycles the water used in the toilets.
People coming opposite the sensor. Sensor active, count 5 seconds. Pump and motor start. To 10 seconds. Solenoid on for the 5 seconds and off. Cycle resetted.
Why we chose iCreate? Because it gives you the ecosystem for innovation that no other startup incubation provides. Thank you.